All right. Looking at all that water right there makes us wonder what's coming our way.
Well, I'll tell you one thing that we're going to be doing by the end of next week. The snow that's going to be falling in the mountains is not going to be measured in inches. It's going to be measured in feet. Wow. In the mountains. The mountains will continue to see snow, even though we're going to be dancing back and forth between snow, freezing rain, or the possibility of straight up rain here in the Treasure Valley in the days to come. It's going to be an extremely active pattern. It commences tomorrow, and it's going to continue at least through the middle of next week as the models are showing one storm after another moving in from the Pacific Ocean. So once again this afternoon, this is the crystal clear blue skies that we enjoyed across much of the Treasure Valley, but that low sun angle did not do anything as far as warming up the temperature readings to any kind of normal levels. We were about 5 or 6 degrees today. Frigid again tonight. Expect snow tomorrow. Then snow or the possibility of freezing rain, or it could be changing over to valley rain with mountain snows by Sunday, and then, as I mentioned before, stormy all the way through the middle of next week. Look at the temperatures outside right now. -1 in Ontario, currently 3 degrees in Boise. Man, that is cold. 5 degrees in Mountain Home, 3 degrees in the Twin Falls. Stanley's at -2. And McCall is actually warmer in McCall than it is here in the Treasure Valley. That's because cold air will always be heaviest, and it will sink to its lowest spot it can find than any surrounding air. So that's why all that cold air has sunk right down into the valley floor, and it's stuck here until something decides to move it. The high temperature today, 5 degrees. There's our low last night, -8. We were 32 degrees colder than the average of 37 degrees, and we were 2 degrees shy of tying the record for this date of 10 degrees below zero, set back in 1982. So now in our satellite imagery, what the models have been predicting now for the last week is actually coming to fruition. And what we're seeing here is 2 features. Number 1, note the counterclockwise rotation. This is the low that's dropping down out of the Gulf of Alaska. As this spins around, it's acting like a pump, and look at what it's doing. It's already starting to pull in this Pineapple Express. This is pure tropical moisture moving in from the Hawaiian Islands, and it's moving to the north, and it's going to start combining with this low that is developing in the Gulf of Alaska. So as this system continues to hang out, it's going to act like that pump, and it's going to be bringing in surges of tropical moisture from the southwest to the northeast. This is going to be significantly impacting weather in the entire western United States, especially the Sierra Nevadas are going to be seeing feet of snow, and they've had feet of snow in the last week. Now, with the tropical moisture coming over and on top of the cold air that we have in place in the Treasure Valley, that is the same setup that we have seen so far all December. That's going to be one significant winter storm that's going to be impacting the valley tomorrow, and it's going to be in the form of snow. Now, the models are suggesting that the moisture is eventually going to start warming up the air in the valley. So on Sunday, we'll either see freezing rain, or it could be rain showers developing in the Treasure Valley on Sunday. Any way you slice it, whether it's snow or it's rain, it's going to be what is worse. More snow that we don't know what to do with, or rain that's going to cause the snow to start melting. Here's what the computer models are showing. Let's put this into motion and show you right there. That's right at lunchtime tomorrow. Here comes a solid wave of snow affecting the entire I-84 corridor, and it continues through tomorrow night. Now watch this. Let's go into Sunday. Look at the surge of moisture coming up from the south on Sunday. What does it look like to you? The models are saying that's going to be valley rain with mountain snows. The only thing is that the models have a tendency sometimes of wanting to warm the atmosphere up too much, too quickly. And so what could be rain, according to the models, might end up being freezing rain. It's extremely complex, folks, extremely complex. So here's the best shot at the forecast. Tomorrow, snow, that is a given. 3 to 6 inches expected. On Sunday, snow, then it could be changing over to rain or a freezing rain mix by Sunday night. And then on Monday, we should be seeing valley rain showers, more snow on Tuesday, more rain on Wednesday. We dry out Thursday, but it could get stormy again towards the end of next week. And the mountains will be seeing periods of snow for the next 5 days, heavy at times, measured in feet, not in inches.
And this is all thanks to La Nina.
La Nina is absolutely taken over the weather pattern in the west and the northwest, and this is a direct result of that.
A classic La Nina.